Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. On this Rodriguez Pamasagri channel, a faith healer, also matter reader. So ngayong hapon na ito, natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of March 4 hanggang March 10 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksig-lig-lig na gumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Pisces. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, ito na, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me an information. Paano kayo sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? Okay, so this is the Two of Pentacles. So keep yourself balanced. So kailangan mo maging balanse, no? Spiritual, mental, physical. So kailangan mo maging balanse sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo. And this is the King of Cups. Now there's a devoted supportive person na maaaring may tao dito na sumusuport at gumagabay sa'yo. Let's see, additional messages. Represent what? Represent with the Four of Swords. So this is something an intuitions, no? Kung baga sinasabi dito, binibigyan ka na mas matalas na pakiramdam, no? Para mas maliwanagan kasi lahat na nangyayari dito sa kasalukuyan mo. No? Kumbaga, it's either nakakaranas ka ng dreams, anxieties, nakakaranas ka ng something sleepless nights, no? Kasi may mga pumapasok sa intuition or knowledge mo, no? Your imagination, rather. And there is something, the King of Pentacles. Kaya sinasabi na maging practical ka pagdating sa finances. Na maging secure ka din sa mga bagay na nagbibigay sa iyo ng ng kita, no? Kaya kailangan protection at pangalagaan mo yung grounds mo. And there's the Kingman reverse. So this is something na nakakaranas ka ng delays and cancellation, no? Baguhin mo na itong pananaw mo, no? Kumbaga, baguhin mo yung sistemang ginagalawan mo. May mga bagay na kailangan ka ng putulin or kailangan na alisin. This is the Three of Swords reverse of something recovery. Makaka-recover ka na from the pain, makaka-recover ka na from the heart pain, makaka-recover ka na from this sabotage and betrayal situation. What is the Two of Pentacles? Represent what? The Two of Pentacles represent with a Devil card. See, there is something of negative or block magic ang book. Napanatili mo maging balanse ka. Kasi maraming mga tukso, maraming mga bullies, maraming taong naiinggit behind your back. What is the initial messages with the King of Cups? Represent with the Ace of Cups. So something a love offer. May bagong pag-ibig talaga na papasok dito. No? It's just something na magbibigay na support. No? Or maaaring isa siya sa support system mo. What is the Four of Swords? Represent what? Represent with a Nine of Pentacles. So this is something security. No? I-secure mo lahat ng pupapasok sa isip mo. Hindi lahat ng mga papasok sa thoughts mo, sa knowledge mo, sa imagination mo ay maaaring spread out mo. No. Kailangan maging low-key ka pa for a meantime. No? Kailangan maging private ka muna. Kasi hindi ka nila, kumbaga, mauunawaan. Sasabihin nila, may ansya ka na, maliw ka na, gato ganyan. No? Mas dito mo makikilala yung sarili mo. What is the King of Pentacles? Represent with the Queen of Swords. Now, there's something, look at the bigger picture. Unti-unti mo na makikita yung magiging possibilities. No? Yung magiging kahihinatan about sa finances mo. No? And of course, parang magkakaroon ka ng thoughts how to manage and control your money wisely. What is the Hangman in reverse? Represent what? So, this is something that's our moment. Major changes. Malaking pagbabago na magaganap dito, ha? Kumaga, dahil sa pagbabago ng sistema or babaguhin mo ng sistema, no? Na ginagalawan mo, babaguhin mo na rin ang pananaw or mga kinaugalian nyo, no? Ito yung magpapabago sa landasin na tatahakin mo. There's a Three of Swords reverse. Represent what? There's a justice card. Don't you worry, karma is waving. Talaga pinapakita dito na may hustisya. No, sa likod ng mga taong mapanghusga, taong kumbaga siniraan ka, taong niloko ka, taong ka tinaydor. Kumbaga, this is the moment na maaaring kumbaga maging balanse ka na. No, there's just something fruit of flavor din ako na nakita dito. No, lahat ng mga paghihirap, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, this is something na paying off. What is the Two of Pentacles? Because the Devil card represent with the judgment. So this is a wake-up call. Na parang ginigising ka sa katotohanan na you need to pay attention. Na parang there's just something of black magic involved na kailangan maging balance. Pinaiikot ka nito, tao na to. Nasa paligid mo lang, nakakasalamuha mo. Now, what is the additional messages with the King of Cups and the Ace of Cups? Represent what? Represent with this Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. So may mga bagay na magtutupad sa kahilingan mo, sa pangarap mo, no, na kumbaga minsan ka na ring humiling na mayroong taong kumbaga magmamahal sa iyo even your flaws. So even kung sino ka, no, personality mo, kumbaga kung sino ka talaga, no, even your sexual preference, kumbaga tinatanggap ka ng buong buo. And this is the Four of Swords because the Nine of Pentacles represent with the Five of Pentacles. Some of you guys, kailangan mo maging secure sa lahat na nangyayari sa'yo, even your plans, ideas. Dahil, kumbaga, meron dito pagsulot ako na nakikita. May susulutin dito. Now, it's either customer, client. What is the additional messages? With the King of Cups, the King of Pentacles, because the Queen of Swords. Represent what? Represent with the Knight of Swords. So this is something anxieties. Sleepless night. So some of you guys, no, nakakaranas talaga ng sleepless night dito that because of this overthinking and being paranoid. Ang dami mong iniisip, maraming tumatakbo sa utak mo. No, maraming plano, maraming kumbaga ideas. So let's see what is the Hangman reverse in the Tower moment. Represent what? So this is the Nine of Wands. So there is something slowly but surely. Kailangan maging mahinahon ka. Huwag ka masyadong padalos-dalos, no? Kailangan mong kumalma. What is the Three of Swords in reversal? Because the Justice card. Represent with the Five of Wands. So sino man tong mga competitors, mga nagbigay ng kumbaga komplikasyon sa'yo, don't you worry, the justice will be served. Makukuha mo yung hustisya. Kumalma ka lang. What is the additional messages with an angel spirit for the outcome? There's an Emperor. See, being mature enough and being grounded. Kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. Hindi ka dapat nagpapa-apekto, hindi ka dapat nagpapa-dala ng mga emosyon. Additional messages with an angel spirit for the outcome. And there is the Six of Swords with the translation and the Ten of Wands, something, a burden. No? Para makakalaya ka na dito from this burden situation. Magiging mature ka na eh. No, hindi ka na basta-basta nagpapadala ng iyong tensyon, ng iyong galit, ng iyong, kumbaga, inis. Marunong ka ng ibalanse. It's good. And there is something, the Fool card for a leap of faith. Basta huwag ka magtitiwala basta-basta agad-agad. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mo, hindi para sa ibang tao. What is the additional messages with an angel spirit? Pagdating tayo sa finances and career. Pagdating sa finances and career, represent what? Represent with a Moon card. So this is something a truth reveal. So may mga bagay na ilalantad sa'yo dito pagdating sa finances. Na maliliwanagan ka kung paano patatakbuhin, paiikutin yung mga pinaghirapan mo. No, lahat ng mga bagay katuparan sa mga pangarap mo, maaari may isang katuparan mo na. And this is something the Page of Cups by your intuitions, no? Some of you, maraming pumapasok sa isipan mo. Nag-active yung, kumbaga, business-minded mo. And because this is something the Two of Wands, so, choices, no? Piliin mo yung mga bagay na magbibigay sa'yo ng pagbabago, bagong mundo, no? Bagong negosyo, this is something business venture talaga. Panibagong eksena to. New business ventures, additional messages for the love life. So this is the Six of Cups. There's a past person coming back. Meron ditong taong babalik from the past. Ooh. And there's is the Four Pentacles for something, protect your power, protect your energy. Nga lang may asawa, may jowa ka na. May live-in partner ka na. May babalik pero nasa isang commitment ka na. And there is something, the Page of Swords. There is this spying and looking, watching at you. No, maraming sumusubaybay sa'yo, maraming nakatingin sa'yo. Additional messages pagdating sa health. Pagdating sa health, there is a 5 of Cups, no? May mga bagay dito na kailangan iwasan ka. And there is the 3 of Pentacles, no? Iwasan mo muna yung pakikipag-inuman or pakikipag-banding, no? Kumbaga napapadalas dito yung mga junk food or either unhealthy foods. And this is something, the Sun card with something of fear, positive outcome. Magiging magandang yung kalusugan dito pero kailangan mo umiwas sa mga nakakasama sa iyong kalusugan. Additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? Represent with a surrender. So kailangan marunong ka mag-surrender. Pakawalan, bitawan yung nagbibigay ng kaguluhan sa utak mo. There's something past. There's something, an offer for you. May offer dito guys, no, na magbibigay sa'yo ng something, a new beginning. There's something flower na nag-represent with a transformation. And there's something thoughts, no? Baguhin mo na yung iniisip mo. There is something, a lot of negative thoughts. Yun yung kailangan mo i-control. What is the magical fairy messages to represent what? Parang ibig sabihin dito, overthinking ka, paranoid ka, no, tamang hinala ka, ganon. What is the magical fairy messages? And there's a vegetarian, guys. Kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. And there's an admit your true feelings to yourself. No, kailangan tanggapin mo sa sarili mo lahat ng katotohanan. And there's a let go. Kailangan mo alisin, bitawan, pakawalan ang mga nagbibigay sa'yo ng negatibo, yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. No? Yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo. What is the romance angels for a mystic love oracle? There. So there's a broken trust. So there's something cheating, lying. And there's some of you guys, meron dito nagsinungaling, may niloko, may nanloko. So some of you guys, cross-watcher out there. And there's a love, no? Strong affection. Some of you guys, nasa isang relasyon, nasa isang matibay na relasyon. And there's a divine timing, no? Believe in the timing. So, some of you guys single, na naghihintay ng taong magpapatibok sa pihikang puso mo. What is the synchronicity to represent what? For synchronicity to represent a spiritual guidance. Oh my God, kailangan mo ng albularyo dito guys. Spiritual guidance is real. And there's something raven. May aswang. Mayroon dito nga negative. Kaya pala there's a devil card. Na may gumagawa sa'yo dito, Madam Sir. No, some of you, kung nagkakaroon ka, kumaga problema sa finances, kumaga laging ganito nangyayari, kumaga it's either lagi ka nagkakasakit, or either lagi kayo nagkakaroon ng problema sa love life, no? Kumaga meron kasi ditong, kumaga ginawa sa'yo na nagbibigay komplikasyon, especially pagdating sa finances. So let's see, what is additional messages with Archangel Michael messages for you? Go forward fearlessly. Kailangan magpatuloy ka na walang kinakatakutan, walang kinikilingan. Diba? Go forward fearlessly. And this is something innocence. Innocent ka, wala kang kamalay-malay. Itong tao na to, nakakausap mo, nakakalubilo mo, yun pala siya pala yung gumagawa sa'yo. Perfect, no? Perfect dramatically actress ng babaeng to, or itong lalaking to. No? And there is an empathy. No, there is something both side of situation. Dapat lagi mo pakakatandaan lahat na nangyayari. Titignan mo lagi yung sitwasyon. What is an angel's answer? Represent what? Represent what you consider. Kailangan mo i-consider din, no? Kung there's something, no option, choices. And there's a yes. Na marunong ka din dapat, kumbaga, umuo, no? Hindi puro tanggi din. Diba? May mga tanggi kasi ako nakikita dito. And there's a yes, no? Maaaring matupad talaga yung mga pangarap mo dito. Nagkakaroon ka ng linlangan eh. Na parang ilalaban ko, hindi. Nagkakaroon ka ng ganong eksena. So there's something na parang meron ka ditong gabay na tumutulong sa'yo na, sige, ilaban mo. Sige, go. Ganon. And there's the we the haters. This is something deep love. May malalim dito na pagmamahal. Inggit eh. May inggit ako nakita. May napakalalim na inggit sa'yo dito. And there's a rate with us a homesick from the start. Na meron kang bagay na gustong-gusto makamit pero hindi mo nakukuha dahil nag-share ka ng information sa maling tao. No, malaki ang inggit pala nitong taong nakakausap mo. For the chakra messages, to represent what? And there's a vanity. Alisin mo talaga yung bisyo, yung luho. See, there's a vanity and there's a service, a guilt. Na may tao may galit sa'yo din dito. May galit, may inis. And this is something perception. Baguhin mo yung mindset mo. No? Baguhin mo yung perspective mo. And there's a discovery. Marami kang bagay na madi-discover pa. Marami kang bagay na malalaman pa. For romance angels, represent what? So there's a deception. There's a false mask. Na pagdating sa relasyon, meron ditong hindi totoo. And there's a reconciliation. Some of you guys, meron ditong babalik from the past. Sabi ko na eh. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a sensitivity. Confident. No, there's just something, kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo. Maging sensitive ka sa lahat na mangyayari. And there's a transformation. No, malaking pagbabago na magaganap mo. There's a something cleansing. Kailangan mo lang mag-cleansing. No, para matanggal yung negativities. What is Archangel Raphael messages? Divine intervention. May paalala lang ating divine. No, sa'yo na yun ito pay attention na ginagabay at tinutulong ka ng ating angel spirit. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang. And this is a forgiveness heals. No? Meron ditong unti-unti nang ihilom. No, kailangan mo magpatawad. Hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo. For additional messages with an angel spirit guides. Represent with your crystals. Some of you guys, kailangan yung crystal stones and gemstones na makakatulong for healing energy. And there is an author, guys. No? There's just something na parang sinasabi na pagandahin mo yung kwento mo, ayusin mo yung buhay mo. No? Parang this is the moment na parang kailangan maging sensitive ka na sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. No? Hindi pa ba sa ura-urada, gato ganyan, kailangan mo na mag-pay attention. Kaya may divine intervention, pinapaalalahanan ka na. For Monsology, represent a time for healing. So, kailangan mo na mag-heal. No, totally. And this is something a personal issue reaches resolution. No, yung mga personal na problema masusolusyonan na. For the energy, represent what? There's a patience. So, kailangan mo habaan na pasensya mo dito, guys. And there's just something caring connection. So, meron ditong, kumaga, konektado no, sa iyong relasyon. What is Jesus' loving code said? For Jesus' loving code said, be not afraid, only believe. So see, maniwala ka. No? Huwag kang matakot. Huwag alisin mo yung pangamba mo. Magpatuloy ka sa ginagawa mo. No? Kasi yung takot na yan yung magdadala sa'yo para hindi mo may sa katuparan yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. No? Para magkaroon ng kumbaga delays, something na parang hindi mo magagawa ngayon, sa kana, gato ganyan. Hanggang sa hindi mo na tuluyang magawa. No? Kailangan malakasan mo ang loob mo, tapangan mo. For an angel's number, represent what? Represent a 1, 2, 3, 4 for good luck. And this is something 1884 willpower. Na para sinasabi sa'yo dito na tama, nasa tamang direction ka. Magpatuloy ka. You are on the right track. Someone from the other side has your back. And encourage you to try your best. You will succeed. Observe your surroundings and communicate clearly. Be sure that everything will fall into pieces. So see? Kung magabas na magpatuloy ka lang, na alam mo sa sarili mo na tama yung ginagawa mo, ilaban mo. And there's a willpower for something achievement and success coming in for you. Wow, significant event are on the cards for you. You will progress in your endeavor and gain your new experiences, and the right people and resources will put on your path. And excellence for proposal or change is coming up. You're destined for the greatness. So see, talaga nasa kapalaran mo. At kayang-kaya mong baguhin ang ikot ng kapalaran mo. So ibig sabihin dito, magpatuloy ka, huwag ka matatakot, huwag ka mangangaba. Kailangan palaban ka. Marunong ka lang kumalma para makapag-isip ka, pero dapat laban lang. What is the messages of life? Represent what? Represent with the forgiveness, no? Na kailangan mo magpatawad, na kailangan mo ng kapatawaran, para na sa ganun matanggal mo magsisilbing blockages, no? Para magtuloy-tuloy yung eksena mo. Mag-set ka ng boundaries. And this is something today, I bless each soul I perceive to have hurt me. I release them to their own greater good. I can now see that my past provides me with the lessons that help me live me for more fully in the present. I no longer struggles with what has been said and done. I am grateful for every experiences that has brought me here. I feel myself with a love that is pure and free. So see, kung basta pakawalan mo yung galit buot, kasi isa sa magbibigay blockages, kaya puno na negatibo yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. So guys, this is a special goodbye for the month of March 4 hanggang March 10 for the sign of Pisces. So Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading namang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos updated kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, so ay pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-tig-lig na umapon na biyayang manang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!